Now, the problem with affirmations is your brain doesn't believe a word you're saying. You tell yourself, I'm confident, I'm successful, I'm super wealthy. And your brain's like, whoa, slow down there, buddy. Have you seen your bank account lately? And so you give up on the whole affirmation thing, and you probably feel even worse than before. But what if there was a way to make your brain actually believe you? Luckily, there is. All right, let me introduce you to Noah St. John. He wrote the book on this stuff called Affirmations, and it's a great book that goes deeper into all of it. I'll leave a link in the comments. Now, 30 years ago, he was a struggling, broke college student. He had affirmations on Post-it notes all over his room, and he was wondering how come none of them work. Then one day he was in the shower and he had this epiphany. The brain responds to questions better than statements. So he started flipping his affirmations into questions, specifically questions that start with the word why. And an amazing thing happened. His brain didn't fight them. It actually went looking for evidence to prove them right. Turns out psychologists have an actual name for this. It's called the positive test strategy. Basically, your brain doesn't argue with the question. It just goes looking for evidence to back it up. So let's see what this looks like in real life. When I told myself I'm disciplined, my brain said, are you crazy? Look at all the things you're procrastinating on, all the projects I never finished or never even started in the first place. But when I asked, why am I disciplined? The brain searched for answers. It brought up stuff I wasn't even thinking about. How when I was a teenager, I spent hours and hours a day for weeks and weeks to learn how to unicycle. Then it reminded me of how I consistently show up to make these videos. I work on them during my lunch breaks at work, and a lot of times I'm up all night working on them. Wow, I really am more disciplined than I thought. The power of this is that I'm not trying to persuade my brain. Instead, my brain's persuading me. So stop telling yourself who you want to be and start asking yourself why you already are.